everyone, welcome back to the EduCollab channel. Today's video will be on a topic related to the previous video. So if you haven't checked that out, there's a link in the description below. Let's start off with LCM. LCM stands for lowest common multiple. Let's say that we have these two numbers, 2 and 4. We can find the LCM by writing the number down, making an equal sign next to it, and listing down all of the multiples of each number until there is a common multiple between them. In this case, 4's multiple will be 4, 8, 12, and so on. For 2, it will be 2, 4, 8, and so on. But one thing that we have to keep in mind is that we have to stop at a certain point because there are an infinite number of multiples and we cannot list all of them. So we have to stop when you come across the first common multiple between the two or more numbers. Moving on, 4 is the lowest common multiple as it comes as the first multiple that is common between 2 and 4. If there is no common multiple, then we just take the LCM as 1. Let's move on to HCF. HCF stands for highest common factor. For HCF, let's see that we have these two numbers, 8 and 10. We need to find out all of the factors in order to get to the HCF. Factors are numbers that you have to multiply in order to get the answer. In this case, the answer is 8 and 10. So 8's factors are 1, 2, 4, and 8. And 10's factors are 1, 2, 5, and 10. The next step is to look for common factors in both of the numbers. So 1 and 2 are common between 8 and 10. So now that we have 1 and 2 as the common factors, we need to look for the greatest one or the highest one. In this case, it will be 2. Therefore, 2 is the highest common factor. This concludes the video and thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. See you next time!